Hey everyone! So on today's video we're going to be showing you the spray foam insulation. Man, that thing is powerful and it gets so hot in here, especially when everything is covered. The temperature of the spray foam is coming out, it comes out at 120 Fahrenheit. So man, it got so hot. I was recording and then after a while I was like, I gotta do something. So I started kind of helping out that way. Make things go faster, and I just like doing stuff. Contacted the guy through Facebook, and he did a great job. Jaime, anybody in the Nashville area wants to do some spray foam, highly recommend this guy. He knows what he's doing. Right, Arlie? Alright. Say goodbye to everyone. See you later.